Welcome to this new slow living vlog. Although this day is a busy one because I have plenty of things to do, I'm gonna go about my day with gratitude to the Lord. Go with the flow, embracing my ordinary day that might not be calm or peaceful very often. But this is what life is all about. It's not about perfection or a beautiful picture, just like on Pinterest. It's about those little things and simple moments to be grateful for. Surprisingly to me, this year I don't feel sad about taking down the Christmas tree and all the decor stuff. I actually feel like I'm ready for the spring. And I'm not one of those people who decorate the entire house for Christmas or for any other holiday during the year. A small Christmas tree is just pretty everything we have to take down. I wish I could decorate the living room or at least the sofa with some cute pillow suitcases, but with two little kids at this stage, that's not gonna work out. And all of the pillows in those wonderful suitcases will ended up lying somewhere on the floor. Now I'm gonna make a adjarian khachapuri for my family for the first time. This is a traditional Georgian dish of cheese-filled bread. I'm not Georgian, by the way, but I want to make this dish. It looks delicious on recipes, so I'm gonna try. I love trying new recipes from all over the world, and I really think that all the nations have a lot to learn from each other. So kids really enjoyed this traditional Georgian dish, and me too. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!